Thank you very much. Selamat siang, distinguished members of the media, dear guests. A warm welcome on behalf of the management of Diamond Commercial Vehicles Indonesia, as well as our regional center of Diamond Commercial Vehicles in Singapore. Over the last couple of years, we have been very excited to see how the infrastructure sector in Indonesia, and especially the road network, has been growing significantly. For example, the operation of the Trans-Java Highway, which stretches across Java Island, brought benefits to many. The passengers and the logistics transport, but it also broke the isolation of remote areas. We're looking forward to seeing Indonesia becoming even more connected and integrated, which will lead Indonesia to reach bigger prosperity for its people throughout the country. Moreover, we are honored to have been part of the history and the current growth of Indonesia. As the only premium manufacturer with strong legacy and long experience in developing cars, vans, buses and trucks for global markets, Mercedes-Benz will continue to provide our best commercial vehicles to our passengers and customers in Indonesia. So, for the moment, let me allow you to take you quickly a little bit through what Daimler Buses is about before my colleagues come to our Indonesian vision. Looking at the 5 divisions of Daimler AG, the bus business by the numbers is the smallest, but it is equally important to us like all others. It represented a revenue of 4.5 billion in 2018, and this was achieved by a total of 18,770 employees. It also represents a range of brands. For example, the bus business, not so much in this part of the world, but in Europe, is represented by the Setra brand.
BENZ was born on the 25th of November, 1844 in Karlsruhe. He later attended the Polytechnic University there, before gaining his first practical experiences at various mechanical engineering companies. He founded his own company in 1872, the Eisenhieserei und Mechanische Werkstatt. However, it was not much of a success at first. It was only the dowry of Karl's wife, Bertha, that saved them from immediate ruin. In 1877, BENZ started developing a 2-stroke engine, and after 2 years, it ran sufficiently for the first time. The patent for a gas-fueled 4-stroke cycle engine was already owned at that time by the national populated Lewis. Nevertheless, BENZ did patent some of his inventions, such as his engine speed regulator. A stock corporation in National Mannheim was set up in 1882. Karl BENZ resigned from it a short time later. It was only the founding of the BENZ company by Michigan together with the entrepreneurs Max Olsen and Friedrich Wilhelm Hessling, that led BENZ to eventual success. The company, established in 1883, expanded quickly and was even able to grant licenses for the construction of gas-fueled engines. For BENZ, it finally became possible to devote his time to the development of the car engine. Unlike Daimler, who integrated his engine into a carriage, Karl BENZ was aiming for the development of an entire vehicle. In 1886, he was able to present his first BENZ patent motor car to the public. A 3-wheeled vehicle powered by a 4-stroke gasoline engine. From 1885 to 87, 3 models with slight variations were produced. With the so-called Model 3, BENZ undertook the first long-distance drive in the world in 1888.
Selamat siang kepada rekan-rekan jurnalis yang telah hadir. Kami persilakan Anda untuk melakukan registrasi ulang kepada tim kami di meja informasi. Berikutnya Anda akan menerima gelang yang sekaligus menjadi nomor tempat duduk. Silakan rekan-rekan menempati tempat duduk sesuai dengan nomor yang tertera dan kami persilakan untuk menikmati hidangan ringan yang telah disediakan. Terima kasih.
The ancestor of today's piston engine. The breakthrough for BENZ & Company came in 1894 with Vivella. This light and budget-priced automobile was manufactured for 5 years. With a total production sum of about 1,200 units, it was